Good morning. Wanted to show you. I have this brondell bidet over a year now, but this knob is so hard to turn. Well, also I do have a tub right next to it, but when you're sitting down and you go to turn this, even standing up I can't turn it. I really have to get like my thumb, and when I'm sitting in this position, in a very awkward, you could hear it, very difficult to turn it. So I removed the knob. It's easier now because I've removed it a few times, but the first time I removed it, I had to get a screwdriver in there in between. This comes off. And I've sprayed some lubricant on here. It doesn't help. So I found a solution. I found this replacement knob on Walmart.com. And it basically just pops in place where that one was. The difference with this knob is that it's in an oblong shape. So it gives you a little bit more leverage. And that just pops right into place. So much easier to turn. Still makes that squeaking noise. But it doesn't seem that any lubricant actually helps, because it's just plastic on plastic. And I've seen other videos where people say this breaks very easily. So I'm glad that it's not broken. And I'm glad that I found an easy solution. It was about a $15 knob on Walmart.com. Well, I hope this helps if you have the same brondell or even any other bidet with a difficulty in turning it. Have a good day.